2026 tax refund update. In today's video, the PATH Act has officially been lifted and taxpayers are receiving direct deposit dates, as well as many have already received their tax refunds. Some are receiving reduced tax refunds. We are going to go over that as well. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now, you can check the status of your 2026 tax refund using the Where is My Refund tool on irs.gov. And the Where's My Refund tool is updated once a day, usually overnight. Also, the IRS is reporting that the Where's My Refund tool is available almost all of the time. However, the system is not available every Monday from 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, let's go over that. The PATH Act has officially been lifted, as the IRS had reported that those of you who claim the Earned Income Tax Credit and the Additional Child Tax Credit would start to see updates as of February 21st. And many of you have already started to receive those updates. Let's go over some of the direct deposit dates shared. And the first direct deposit date shared is February 23rd, 2026. We also have February 24, 2026, and as well February 25th, 2026, and March 2nd, 2026, as well as March 9th, 2026. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive a direct deposit date, and make sure to check your bank accounts, because some of those who have the direct deposit date for the end of February are seeing their tax refunds in their bank accounts. Make sure to check your bank accounts as well. Now, let's move on to reduced tax refunds. Some are receiving the status that your tax refund has been approved for direct deposit. However, it may be partially or completely reduced to pay a past due obligation, such as child support or other federal agency debt or state income tax debt. Topic 203, reduce a refund. And the Bureau of Fiscal Service may reduce your 2026 tax refund to offset a past due debt, such as past due child support, federal agency non-tax debt, state income tax obligations, or certain unemployment compensation that's owed to a state. And generally, these are past due debts for compensation paid due to fraud or contributions owing to a state fund that were never paid. These are some of the examples in which the Bureau of Fiscal Service may reduce your tax refund to cover or offset past due debt. The Bureau of Fiscal Service will also send you a notice if there is an offset, and the notice will reflect the original refund amount, your offset amount, the agency receiving the payment, and the address and telephone number of the agency. You should contact the agency shown on the notice if you believe you don't owe the debt, or if you are disputing the amount taken from your refund. Contact the IRS only if your original refund amount shown on the Bureau of Fiscal Offset notice is different from the refund amount shown on your tax return. And if you don't receive a notice, you can contact the Bureau of Fiscal Service at 1-800-304-3107, Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. CS time. Now, stay tuned for how you can contact the IRS if your 2025 tax refund is still delayed, or if your 2026 tax refund is delayed. Contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.